Hi there everyone, it's great to have you back on Nebloo Healthy. Are your busy mornings making it hard to find a quick and healthy start to your day? The hectic rhythm of everyday life often leaves us yearning for a nourishing first meal of the day. But there's no need to fret, as today we're delving into 5 amazing breakfast ideas that are not just nutritionally rich, but also uncomplicated and swift to whip up. Kicking off our list is the versatile and ever-so-handy overnight oats with fruit. Next up, we're venturing into the scrumptious realm of avocado toast with a twist. After that, we're examining the protein-packed Greek yogurt parfait. For those of you who enjoy a savory first meal, our egg muffins will surely delight you. To finish off our list, we'll present the refreshing and packed with vitamins smoothie bowls. Each of these breakfast alternatives has been crafted to offer a balance of carbs, proteins, and vital vitamins to energize your day. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump in and kick off our day in the best possible way. Stay tuned for some tasty morning inspiration. First up, we have a breakfast classic overnight oats with fruit. This tasty breakfast is the busy person's best friend. Picture this. Before you hit the hay, you mix together some rolled oats and your milk of choice. You could go for almond, soy, or good old-fashioned cow's milk. Then you add in your favorite fruits. Perhaps some juicy berries or sweet, ripe banana slices. Maybe even a sprinkle of chia seeds for that extra fiber and omega-3 punch. You give it a good stir, pop it into the fridge, and let it do its magic overnight. Come morning, you have a ready-to-go breakfast that's not just scrumptious but also incredibly convenient. The beauty of overnight oats lies in their versatility. You can switch up the fruits, add a dollop of yogurt or a drizzle of honey, and every day you have a completely new flavor profile. It's a delicious and customizable option that provides a good balance of carbohydrates, fiber, and vitamins. Next on our list is the beloved avocado toast, but with a twist. This breakfast staple is more than just a trendy cafe offering. It's a powerhouse of nutrition that you can easily whip up at home. Start with a thick slice of whole grain bread. Toast it to your liking, then spread on a layer of creamy, ripe avocado. But here's where the twist comes in. Don't stop with just avocado. How about a perfectly poached egg, delicately placed on top? Or maybe some cherry tomatoes, adding a pop of color and a burst of juicy flavor? Crumble some feta cheese for a tangy kick. There are countless ways to jazz up your avocado toast, making it a new experience every time. But besides being delicious, avocado toast is also a nutritional powerhouse. The avocado provides healthy fats and fiber, while the whole grain bread offers complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. The additional toppings contribute protein and other nutrients, ensuring a well-rounded start to your day. Avocado toast is not only tasty, but also rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein to keep you energized throughout the morning. For a protein-packed breakfast, consider a Greek yogurt parfait. This delightful breakfast option is as simple as it is nutritious. Start by choosing a Greek yogurt that you love. Plain is a great choice as it allows you to control the sweetness, but a flavored variety can also work. Next, it's time to layer in those fresh berries. Choose a mix of your favorites, whether that's strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. These fruits not only add a burst of natural sweetness, but they are also packed with beneficial antioxidants. Now, sprinkle in some granola for that essential crunch. Opt for a granola that's low in sugar, but high in fiber. This will help keep you feeling full and satisfied all morning long. Finally, finish off your parfait with a drizzle of honey. This natural sweetener pairs perfectly with the tartness of the Greek yogurt and the freshness of the berries. This combination is not only delicious, but also provides a mix of nutrients, including protein, antioxidants, and complex carbohydrates. If you prefer a savory breakfast, egg muffins are the way to go. Just imagine, fluffy, protein-packed morsels filled with your favorite veggies and a sprinkle of cheese. All you need to do is whisk together some eggs, chop up your veggies of choice, think bell peppers, spinach, or tomatoes, and add a dash of cheese for that extra oomph. Pour the mixture into muffin cups and pop them into the oven. Voila! You've got yourself a batch of egg muffins. The beauty of this breakfast option is that you can make a batch on the weekend and have a ready-to-go breakfast option for the entire week. Just reheat and serve. So not only are they delicious, but they're also incredibly practical. And let's not forget about the nutritional value. Egg muffins are packed with protein to keep you full and focused. And they're also a great source of essential vitamins from the veggies. It's a fantastic source of protein and essential vitamins. Lastly, let's talk about smoothie bowls. This breakfast option is a great way to kickstart your morning with a burst of nutrition. Creating a smoothie bowl is more like a delightful experiment than a tedious task. Start with a base by blending your favorite fruits. Think berries, bananas, or peaches with some leafy greens. Think spinach or kale, and a liquid of your choice such as almond milk or coconut water. The result should be a thick, creamy mixture that holds up to your toppings. Now comes the fun part, the toppings. Sprinkle on some nuts for a crunchy contrast, seeds for a protein punch, and some fresh fruit slices for extra flavor and nutrients. The possibilities are endless, so don't be afraid to get creative. Smoothie bowls are not only refreshing but also a convenient way to pack in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They can be as simple or as complex as you want, and the best part? They're ready in minutes. And there you have it, 5 healthy and easy breakfast ideas perfect for busy mornings. We've journeyed through the delicious simplicity of overnight oats with fruit, the delightful twist on avocado toast, the protein-packed Greek yogurt parfait, the savory goodness of egg muffins, and the refreshing and nutrient-rich smoothie bowls. Each of these options is not only a feast for your taste buds, but also a power-packed start to your day, providing essential nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Remember, a nutritious breakfast is the first step towards a healthier day. If these options have sparked your morning inspiration, do give this video a thumbs up. For more such healthy content, subscribe to Nebloo Healthy and ensure you hit that notification bell, because we have a lot more deliciousness coming your way. Thanks for joining me today. Fuel your mornings with these nutritious options, stay energized, and I'll see you in the next video.